Thank you for tuning to the Temperance Tarot Triple Two. Now we will be doing a reading that is your love reading, the most awaited topic that everybody waits for. Okay, please do check my previous video that I have uploaded before this. It is an urgent message for people, and the messages could probably help you to get out of any mindset or stuck situation you are in right now. Please do check that video. Probably just one line or a word might help you from that reading. Okay, so let's get into the reading. Okay, this is only for people who are in no contact, or who have broken up, or who are stuck uh, in a situation where they cannot move on from their ex. Okay, even if that you guys have thought that it's time, you all are not getting back together. So let's see what the cards have to tell you about your situation. Yes, please divine guide, help me with the reading. Okay, too much inner dialogues are happening right now. There is a struggle to move forward. You want to move forward. Okay, you want to move forward with your situation. You are feeling stuck, whether it's a temporary breakup or it is a permanent breakup, or a no contact situation. You know that you need to move ahead and even focus on yourself. There is struggle happening over here in regards to moving forward. The only thing that is going to help you right now is spending time with your friends and family. I would say spend time with anybody, whether it's your friends, it's your family, anybody that puts you in this light energy, is not constantly digging conversations about your relationship. Stay away from such people because they are going to push you back in that same energy. In fact, spend time with people who are going to help you just solely focus on you and help you probably have a better times and uplift your energy. It's very important right now for you to spend time with such people. Yes, the King of Wands signifies that you need to be more outgoing, probably enjoy dancing, anything that makes you happy, that is related to entertainment. Okay, entertaining yourself is very important at this time. I understand we are in the season of I'm sorry, Ramzan and Lent for the Catholics, and it is not the time where we indulge in such things, but it is highly recommended for you to be in a light energy. If prayers make you happy, if singing songs regarding to your religion makes you happy, do that. Okay, and people who are not from this religion, you can do something else that is going to put you in a light energy. It is highly recommended. Yes, you can also work out. That is going to be a very good way for you to channel the negative energy and give you that dopamine rush that you need right now. Okay, what is happening with my people's person? What are my viewers person thinking about them right now? Okay, so this is clear sign there is a heavy conflict. Okay, and this is a major conflict that is going on between you guys. Probably you have never seen your person behave in such manner, or they are acting very different than probably earlier you could predict their actions, but this time you are unable to predict what they are doing, and that is putting you in a shock somewhere because you never expected them to do such things. Okay, you knew their pattern, you knew how they behave, but this time they are taking different approach and different action, and it could be to trigger you, or it could be also, it is not always people want to trigger you. Sometimes it is very hard for us to digest that this person wants to do nothing with us and they want to choose a better situation. Okay, everybody thinks good about themselves, but sometimes you need to realize whether you are nice or not, there will be something that is not suitable for the other person, and everyone has a right to choose better for themselves. Okay, now there will be an argument. Yeah, like that no, I have done so much for this person, I have done that much, I have done this, but you have done, that's fine. You don't need to justify that. You did it because you love that person. You cannot say that I did that, now this person needs to repay that thing to me. It is fine. You see what is better for you. If you really love the person, you should let go of that person. Everybody has a right to choose good for themselves and feel the pain, feel the negativity, but for now let the situation be at the take a back burner, and you just focus on yourself, because your person is going to trigger you right now. It is a clear sign. Probably you are seeing this person posting a lot or going out, not contacting you, or for some scenario I feel this person is purposely hiding you in their stories and WhatsApp status, and you are getting triggered because you are getting to know from other sources that this person is posting this and this. Okay, and you are getting triggered. So you need to focus on yourself. You need to say this to yourself: no matter whatever this person does, I am not going to get triggered. In fact, I am going to surprise myself by staying strong and by focusing on myself and doing more better things for myself than this person is doing. That way, it is a petty thing to do, but if you are going to go in a negative energy, it is better to act little petty and make yourself happy. Okay, it's not always that oh, why should I updo that person whatever is doing. It is fine as long as it is making you happy, distracting yourself, everything is fine. But getting into negative energy is not the solution. Thinking about that person is not the solution, and constantly going and talking to your friends about this situation is also not the solution, because you are going to multiply that feeling. Even though you will speak to your friend and feel better at that moment, okay, for 10 minutes, half an hour, again you are going to go in that thought pattern, because you have given that situation your energy. You have made another person put their energy in that situation, which has now made that situation multiply. So it's best focus on yourself. Let's see what's the next action your person will take if you do not reach out to them. Okay. Okay. So I see this person will be getting triggered by your action if you do not reach out, if you be unbothered, you do not give them any energy, no matter how much they trigger you, you are minding your business. First of all, you need to get into this energy how you were when this person was not in your life. You were a different individual, right? You had a different life. So you have to get into that energy. This is going to be your trick for success right now in this situation. You need to make sure that this person does not exist for you, whether it is for a day, for a week, for a month, how long ever it takes for this person to reach out to you. They have this strong bond with you. Okay, and they are going to get triggered. They might not reach out immediately. It is going to pile up, and they will reach out. I am giving you in writing or my word, they will reach out to you. It might take time, or it might come immediately. For some people, it might take months also. But do not reach out. In that situation, if you are moving ahead with somebody else, please do that, because if God is putting somebody in your life, there is a reason. Okay, you do not need to stop your life for somebody. If you are married, that's a different thing. If you are not married, you are free to do whatever you feel like. You cannot stop your life for somebody who is stuck, who is not giving you the importance. Okay, you need to move ahead, and that is what is going to help this person come forward. But do not be in that mindset where you are doing things so that person comes to you. You need to understand this thing, because if you are going to, your energy is not going to lie. Okay, your energy is going to speak volumes to that person if you are doing everything for them to come forward and talk to you. So please do not do that. Genuinely move forward. Genuinely do things that is going to put you in a better place right now, better energy, better mindset. Talk to God. God is the only solution. I feel that talk to God. It is not going to nobody is going to gossip about, God is not going to gossip about your situation. It is not going to get your words are not going to get tempered or manipulated and spread to other people. So speak to God if required, and do your move ahead in life. Move ahead with your day. That's it, all I can say. Let's see what is going to happen for my viewers in the next coming 3 months in their love life. The Magician card. So the Magician card says that you are manifesting somebody. Okay, somebody very powerful, somebody who is in an a higher or status in their life or at their workplace, and or even if your person is returning, they will return in a different energy for some cases. But most of the cases I see that you are attracting a very powerful person, somebody who is strong, could not be powerful money wise or status wise, but this person with their energy is so powerful, has all the capability to do good in their life. If they are not right now in a powerful place, they will be in future, and this is going to be the right person for you. This is going to be the person for you who is always going to stand up for you, who is going to get you out of this victim mentality or this push and pull energy that your current partner is giving you. And this person is going to nurture your feminine side. Okay, whether you are a male or a female, everybody has a feminine and masculine side. Your feminine side will be nurtured, which is a side where you feel loved, you feel grounded, you do not feel restless, you are in a receiving energy. Okay, this person is going to bring you in a receiving energy, which is very important for a male and a female. And this person is going to be your strength. You will no longer feel lonely, you will no longer feel lost, you will no longer feel that you are the only person taking care of everything. This person is always going to be by you. Yes, it's not asking you to be codependent, but you will be so independent, because you will be so stress free, because you know that there is somebody who is taking care of your emotions. Okay, and whether you will need this person or not need them also, you will feel secured and you will feel balanced. You will be able to do things that you never thought of doing. You will start taking action towards your goal, and this person is going to be your pillar, your support. A lot of passion in this relationship is what I see. And this person is coming towards you very soon. Could be a long distance relationship, or if this situation, probably your love life was stuck, is going to have a rapid movement, and it is only going to happen when you shift your mindset. Okay, the reason you are not seeing any progress in your life, love life, is because you are still stuck in your past. Yes, that's the reason I see. But this person is already manifested, okay, is what I'm hearing. It is just this person is not entering your life because you are not ready. Energetically you are still not ready, because if this person comes forward, you will sabotage the relationship. You will literally push this person away, and it will be a lost opportunity for most people, and for others it won't be a lost opportunity, because this person will not enter your life unless you are ready to surrender. Okay, tower moment is going to happen before this person comes in your life. Okay, so probably you are dealing with the Tower moment. Your breakup is the Tower moment, and it is asking you to heal. Let this breakup take place. Let everything happen. Please do not go to fix it by yourself. If God really wants that relationship to come together, He will do it. You do not have to take control of that relationship that is broken. You need to focus on yourself. Every rejection is protection. Even if you have broken up with that person, understand God wanted that thing to happen. You are not a bad person, or the other person is not bad. Okay, any breakup or any such thing happens, you need to realize this is what God wanted. Okay, because there are better things to come in your life. You couldn't love the person that the person wanted, like, and that person couldn't love you like you wanted. It is just the stubbornness that keeps us going back to a relationship that is constantly giving us conflict and constantly giving us arguments. That relationship is never going to give you happiness. You are not wrong, that person is not wrong. You need to understand that and move on. But whatever is coming your way is so beautiful. After the time period of being to yourself, you are manifesting the love of your life. You are manifesting the love of your life, and you will see that, and you will come back to this video, and you will put your comments. You are going to download or save this video, and you will come back and comment. I'm so sure when this happens. I don't know. I strongly feel at least one person will do that. I could be wrong, but I'm hoping it happens. I would love to see somebody receiving love in their life, because the only happiness people get is through love. Love is a beautiful thing, but it is only beautiful when we are in the right situation with the right person at the right time. Okay, everybody loves love. Love is a beautiful thing, but when it's not the right person, not the right time, not the right situation, it's going to turn into a very toxic situation. So yes, be happy, be positive that somebody new is coming in your life. And let's take the final guidance. What you angels and guide and universe wants to tell you at this time. What is the action you need to take immediately right now? Okay, we have the page of cups that says that self love is the key right now. Listen to your intuition. Do not ignore your intuition. Do not ignore your gut feeling. If you're feeling it in your stomach, it is anxiety. If you're feeling it in your chest, it's your intuition. You need to understand that. Okay, and from page of cups to king of cups, what a beautiful card to come out. So your love life is progressing. From a page of cups, you will be aligned with a king of cups. This person will not be somebody who will put their feelings on the platter and give you. It will be a person who is emotional but very quiet. Okay, is not somebody very expressive, but will do certain things that will, without saying, you will feel loved. That person will not have to express, but their actions will make you feel loved, and that is beautiful. You will feel like a queen of pentacles, because this person is going to make you feel like a queen that you are, or even if you're a male, this female will make you feel important. Okay, the message is basically you will feel important right now. Clear your thoughts and be true to yourself. Please do not go into delusion. Understand that you can also be rejected. Okay, the dirtiest thing that anybody can fall into a trap is that thinking you are very important. Okay, everybody is replaceable. You can replace anybody, like just like how you can replace, others can replace you as well. Okay, you might be this and that, but it is okay. Everyone is important for themselves. So understand that any situation is going to happen, it is for your good. and for your ex partner's good as well. Everybody deserves to be loved. Okay, and slowly and steadily you will reach your goals. Whatever your goal is, to have a perfect relationship, to have a good finance, you are reaching your goal, but it will take time. Again, the magician has come out. That means you are manifesting this. Okay, the only blockage here is your mindset. That's it. That was your reading, guys. If you resonated, please do like, subscribe to my channel, leave your lovely comments. My previous videos are not getting much likes and comments. I don't know why, but I would like to see some more likes and comments, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.